This professional charger delivers very high current at multiple voltages, so it can quickly revive and maintain everything from small motorcycles to heavy equipment and marine batteries with confidence. Its compatibility with both traditional lead-acid types and modern lithium iron phosphate packs makes it a flexible tool for mixed garages and professional shops. The rugged build, including cold-resistant silicone cabling and abrasion-resistant outer sheathing, holds up well in harsh workshop and outdoor environments. As a stable power supply for electronic control unit work and diagnostics, it provides clean, steady power that helps prevent glitches during sensitive reprogramming tasks. The integrated temperature compensation and advanced repair modes do an impressive job of protecting batteries while also bringing tired units back to more reliable service. Being able to charge extremely low voltage batteries, combined with the included cables, extension, storage case, and long warranty, makes this a very complete solution for serious users.